knowing that you are going to come to a pivotal moment and you do not hesitate. You take action and you lean into that. You are stepping into a legacy this weekend, and more importantly, you're all shaping its future.
And if there's anything that I could do, especially for younger people, is get them to be great quitters.
Good news, more opportunity has happened in the last 365 days for you to build a personal brand to lead to business transaction. The days of taking and making a video or an ad or a picture and running media on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok to get clients are over. If it does well in views compared to your norm, that's what you start running media on.